Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Well, it is Sunday night and everybody's getting ready for another week. Ick. Sunday nights were never my favorite nights. Anyway, I wanted to give you a new recommendation today, a new buy recommendation on the ETF for Saudi Arabia. And with that, let's get into it. First of all, Saudi Arabia. I used to go there twice a year back in the 90s, every year. Probably did that for like 10 years and have some very good friends there. They've had some big regime changes over the last, I don't know, maybe the last 5 or 6 years. I don't, anyway, I think there's been some big changes there, probably not for the better. And anyway, it's neither here nor there. But KSA, the Saudi Arabia ETF, looks attractive to me. And if I can make money in it, I will. And so this particular recommendation has about 7% potential downside risk and about 30% plus on the upside. And so I like that. So we have a symmetrical triangle, converging trend lines, and it's about a 3-year pattern. So normally, the bigger the pattern, the more uh, energy it has when it breaks out. And so we're hoping that this has the same. Saudi Arabia, very tied to the oil market, although they've tried to diversify their economy. It really trades with energy and with crude oil still in a consolidation. It's a similar pattern to this actually, but it hasn't broken out like Saudi Arabia has out of the consolidation. So it is tied to oil prices. So there's risk here. There's risk in every investment, or less T-bills maybe, not a whole lot of risk. So the pattern broke out. It's pulled back a little bit, so I like the point tonight. I saw crude oil is not up; it's down maybe 30 cents tonight. So, um, it's not down $5 a barrel, which means this would be down huge tomorrow. Um, but anyway, it's given us a buy opportunity. We're not buying at the high; we're buying 1 or 2% below the recent high. And so, again, I'd be purchasing this. I bought some on Friday. If it's down tomorrow, I'll be buying more. If it's flat, I'll be buying more. And I really want to get involved in this. Um, Crude oil, if it breaks out of its consolidation like this, it's going to go a long, long way, and Saudi Arabia will too. But this has already given us a little bit of a breakout signal. So I want to buy now while the reward to risk is really favorable. So, um, it's 4 to 1, upside to downside. And so I like this. Let's take a look at the point and figure chart. I really have a problem making recommendations if I don't have at least a bullish trend line on the point and figure chart. This is a chart that I draw, that I put together. The point and figure chart is just really supply and demand. It's the least subjective chart. That chart is used, and you can see after this huge breakout back in 2021, it's been consolidating those gains, which is a sign of bullishness. It hasn't crashed, and we actually got a new buy signal here back late 2023, it looks like. And so our upside price projection is 59 on the point and figure chart. I'm going to use the more conservative $54 price projection based on the chart that I drew. But I like when these are in line. Doesn't mean they can't fail, but I like the setup. I think it's good if you can't buy ETFs, say in your 401k, or I don't know, for some reason you can't, you'd buy this just like a stock, but if you don't have that ability, with China, with some of the, uh, those things are all emerging and a lot of the metals that have been on fire, copper, etc. Those things suggest emerging markets should do well. I would consider Saudi Arabia an emerging market. And so if you can't buy this directly, maybe you add a little bit to your emerging markets, but be careful with that because emerging markets have been up the last couple of weeks. So thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. It would help me out. I do some intraday things, which can be very helpful. And thank you for watching. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.